start off by making the creases for the preliminary base. Here you want the open ends at the bottom of the base to do the next step. And these are the pre-creases to opening up and making the bird base. So now I've made all those pre-creases. Here comes the tricky part. What we have to do is open up that bottom edge all the way up, and then the sides get folded into the middle. Hi, it's Isabella from BizziArt here. If you enjoyed this video, or you want to learn more about origami paper, or if you're looking for origami paper to build on your stash, come check out my website. I've got the link in the description down below. Have fun.